All right, time for your problem set. So this is what your problem set looks like today. It looks like a lot more than it really is. So I have taken this one right here and put it on my whiteboard so I can show you exactly how to solve this. Okay, now my whiteboard looks a little bit different than the paper, but ultimately it's the same. Let's get this a little more this way. Okay. So at the top I have 6 times 6. I'm going to leave that blank for now until I feel confident with my answer. What I am going to do is I'm going to fill out my tape diagram. I'm going to finish filling this out, and I know that there are 6s because our first one is a 6 and they're always going to be the same. Now, I have this little line right here that kind of cuts this tape diagram into 2 parts. Cuts it into 5 times 6 and something times 6. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. That's my 5 times 6. And I only have 1 over here. Oh wait, that goes right there. 1 times 6. And everybody knows that any number times 1 is always that number. So 1 times 6 is 6. I've already got that one finished. All I need to do for now is figure out 5 times 6. So I know that 5 groups of 6 is 30. You can count up by 6s or by 5s. Now down here I've got 6 times 6 is the same as, or equal to, 5 plus 1 times 6. They then broke this down for you. They gave this 6 to the 5 and to the 1, which gives me 5 times 6 and 1 times 6. Now we already know that 5 times 6 is 30 and 1 times 6 is 6. All I need to do now, it's kind of tiny, but 30 plus 6 is 36. Now don't forget to come put that final answer back up here at the top. 36. So if you're watching this video, you just got a free answer. I did everything for you. You can copy this onto problem number 1 if you would like. Remember to upload this to Seesaw whenever you are done.